Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199. What does it say? If we had revealed it to one of any other nation than the Arabs, and he had read it to them, they would not have believed in it. In other words, Islamic Allah predicts that the Quran would be understood and received only by the Arabs. Only by the Arabs. In other words, right at the start, it was meant to be only an Arab-only religion. So no wonder it's in your Quran. It's in your Quran. Please, Muhammad, please come here. Please come here. Try and engage with the Quran then, please. Please come here. No, but, no firstly.
No, there is a first, all right?
There is no first here. Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199 predict that only Arabs. Let me. No, I'm not talking. I'm asking a question. If you want to answer the question, you can. Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199 very clearly say Islamic Allah is predicting that the Quran would only be received by the nation of Arabs. Do you disagree with the Quran?
What's with the micro? Let's talk.
Do you disagree with the Quran? No. I've asked you a question already. Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199. Do you? Yeah, please read. And if you want to have a conversation, engage with the question that I've asked. Because I'm asking two particular aspects of the same problem. Number one, why do people recite the Quran? Number two, why do they recite only in Arabic? And if you try and understand why this was the case, historically, the Quran gives you answers. Number one, the prediction is, the Quran predicts, Islamic Allah predicts that Islam would be received only by the nation of Arabs. Only by the nation of Arabs. And so it's a huge problem that today people who are not Arabs have been. What is that?
What is it? Chapter 26?
Ayahs 198, 199.
Can I
Please
hold
come.
it?
Please come.
Harold, you know me.
I know you, but yeah, please.
Thank you.
Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199.
Okay, so this is no. So what Allah is saying here, if we had revealed it, meaning the Quran, to any other nation than the Arabs, and he had read it to them, i.e. Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, they would not have believed in it. So if the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam recited the Quran in Arabic to non-Arabs, they wouldn't have understood it.
Precisely. In other words, the Quran.
That's not a prediction. That's just common sense.
No.
That's just known.
Okay, wonderful. So let's. We have a common ground right now. Let's expand.
So what's the issue?
I'm expanding already. The issue is precisely this. There is one good reason why the Quran at the origin apparently was asked to be recited only in Arabic, because the Quran predicts non-Arabs would not receive it anyway.
No.
Did you not read it just now? Non-Arabs would not understand and receive it anyway. Is what it says.
That's not what it says.
What does it say then? Let's read again. What is it saying? 198. And if we had revealed it to
And he had read it to them. So let me
198.
Let me give you an example.
No. Don't give example. Let's read this first.
No, I'll give you
Oh,
an
no.
example.
Let's read this first. Muhammad, are you afraid of reading the Quran?
I'm reading it.
Let's
No,
read the
you
Quran
demonstrate.
first.
Fine.
Let's read the Quran first.
Harold.
Let's read. Okay, you don't want to read the Quran. That's fine. If you don't want to read, that's fine.
No, I'm demonstrating to you this.
I don't want demonstrations
No, you
before
need a
reading.
demonstration.
I don't
You
want
need a
demonstrations before reading. Would
I've
you
read
like
it.
to read?
I've read it to you.
Can we read again?
I've
Because
read
you
it to
ignored.
twice. Okay.
Because you
No,
ignored
I
198.
have not.
Can I read again?
I have not.
Okay, let's read
I
again.
am. Look, if Allah
And
revealed it to if Allah revealed
and
it-
Muhammad, please, thank you.
Harold,
I'm
you're
going to
speaking
read
over
again.
me. You're speaking over me.
Because you're
No,
not.
I'm going to exit the conversation. I
You
don't mind.
you can exit if
But
you
if you
want,
want-
but the
if you want
point is
someone
I'd
to-
like for you to read first.
I have read it.
Okay, let's read
Twice.
again. Let's read again.
You want a third time? Yalla, third time.
Let's read again for the benefit of everyone here. Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199 very clearly say, and if we had revealed it to one of any other nation other than the Arabs, any other nation than the Arabs. In other words, if you take this to anyone apart from the Arabs, and he had read it to them, they would not have believed in it. So clearly,
I don't need you to interpret
I did
it
not
for
even
me.
finish. Can I finish?
You're just repeating yourself, and I don't want to waste my time.
Thank you very
I
much. You
don't-
can
I
move
don't
on. You can move on. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you can't face the challenge, you can move on. But the point, but the point is,
you can say what you
absolutely,
like. Okay,
the
but
challenge. In other words, in other words, in other words, in other words, I haven't even posed the challenge. Listen to the
you
challenge.
haven't even understood the ayat of the
Thank you
Quran.
very much. You can
haven't
move on.
understood.
Yeah, if you don't give me time to finish my point, and if you
You
think
made
I'm
your point.
okay, that's fine.
You made your point.
Not interested right now, moment. So, thank you very much. So, the point very simply is, I was asking earlier people, why is the Quran recited only in Arabic? Two aspects to the challenge. Why is it recited and why only to the nation of Arabs? The Quran gives you the answer. The Quran says, number one, the Quran, Islamic Allah predicts no one apart from the nation of Arabs would receive Islam anyway. Surah 26, ayahs 198, 199. I read that earlier. No other nation apart from the Arabs would even receive Islam anyway. Prediction by Islamic Allah. Wrong. Number one. Number two. Would you like to engage with the point that we are making?
Give me the chapter, I will tell you what it is. Don't make
Tell
story.
you what?
You are liar.
Sorry, please, tell you
You are
what?
liar.
Tell me what?
I'm pure Arab.
And so,
Original from Yemen.
yeah, original disaster. So, what are you going to tell me now?
Sorry?
Original disaster. What are you going to tell me right now?
Tell you what you said just now is lying.
Okay, so let's read again.
Translate as you like.
Is this my translation?
This is not the
Is this my translation? Is this my translation? This is Arabic propaganda. You see, my dear friend, this is Arabic propaganda. Whereas the Quran says that people apart from the Arabs would not receive it. The gentlemen like him, Arabs, are forcing you to recite in a language that you don't understand.
We don't force no one.
I won't understand. So please come and help me. Please, would you come and help me? Like, come here, please. Surah 20. One second. Don't take my microphone. I'm going to ask a question. I'm asking
It
you.
was mentioned.
No. Don't answer a question which was never
10
asked.
chapters.
It was
10
never.
chapters
Don't.
that Prophet Muhammad was sent to the whole universe.
So please explain this then. Surah 26, Ayah 198, 199. You can read from anywhere you want, but I'm focusing on 198 and 199.
What did they say?
If we had revealed it to one of any other nation than the Arabs, and he had read it to them, they would not have believed in it. So Islamic Allah clearly predicts non-Arabs would not believe in the
I
Quran.
understand your
Do you think that prediction is right?
Yes, you're wrong understanding.
Well, okay, give me the right understanding,
Wrong
please. Please
understanding.
give me the right understanding. So read again, give me the right understanding.
understanding if this sent.
You go.
If this was sent.
Has been a bit of a starting problem, sir. If you had listened earlier,
198 here.
He is more knowledgeable than me. I would ask.
but you, sir, you said
Can I answer your
wrong
question?
translation.
Can I answer your
Can you
question?
please clarify?
Because if it is revealed to a non-Arab in Arabic, would you understand if I speak in some different language which you don't know? Would you understand it?
I won't understand.
That's why.
And that is exactly my point. Are you an Arab speaker?
No.
What language do you recite the Quran in?
Arabic.
Arabic. But you don't understand Arabic. Why do you do it?
But I can read the translation.
No, but you don't understand Arabic. Why do you recite in Arabic?
Can you read a letter?
You have good point. Let me explain.
You told me, if the Quran was recited in Arabic.
I don't have answer.
Well, the answer is very simple. You're self-contradicting. You're going against the obvious. You yourself earlier said, if a non-Arab were to read it in Arabic, he would not understand. What's the point? And that is precisely the point. You need to take it to your heart. What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
Let me answer.
What is your name, sir?
Is it not necessary? We are
I
talking
didn't.
about a topic here.
Which topic? Which question are you going to answer right now?
You are asking me why the Quran is revealed in Arabic.
No, I'm asking you right now. If you don't, we have progressed. You helped us progress. You said if a non-Arabic speaker reads the Quran in Arabic, he won't understand. You helped us understand. We are on the same page. So you are a non-Arabic speaker. You don't understand Arabic.
Right.
In what language in a mosque would you recite the Quran?
Arabic, why not?
Why not Arabic? Yes,
Because
it's
you don't
revealed in Arabic.
understand. Why would you do
He
it
can
if you
translate.
don't understand?
He can translate.
But what's the point if you can't understand
okay. To
Arabic?
answer this,
why
I-
do you read it in Arabic? Why do you recite it in
So
Arabic?
this is Allah creates people with many languages.
It's
So
good
how
to
you,
know.
you want to give
Excuse me, sir. You need to listen, please, and respond, please.
Do you speak Arabic?
Excuse me, sir.
You
One second.
understand
Do you
Arabic?
speak Tamil?
no.
If I speak to you in Tamil, would that be beneficial?
Don't tell me.
Okay, exactly the point. That's exactly my point. If you don't speak in Tamil, if I,
Can you hear?
excuse me,
Can you listen here?
no, excuse
Doesn't
me.
matter.
Look, you don't want to search for
But when they
truth.
see the
Yes,
searching
I,
for truth.
because you don't want
You are
to
fighting
understand.
only.
Excuse me,
You are
sir.
fighting.
Where are you from?
You don't know what is
It doesn't matter. I don't want.
Don't
to
give in to Arabic
My advice
propaganda.
I'm saying. What I'm
Don't
saying.
give in to Arab supremacy ideology.
Irrelevant.
Don't try to read something. Don't try to read something. Don't try to read something in a language that you don't understand. That doesn't make sense. Are you an Arabic speaker?
Finish with Muhammad.
Muhammad is a bit
You ask me
confused.
something. You ask me
Muhammad
something. You ask
felt
me something,
threatened.
You want to listen. You just want to speak. Okay.
Tell me.
What you're
You
saying
don't understand
that
Arabic.
You should not believe any religion if it's not in your native
That's not my
language.
point.
Then what is your
Searching for
point?
the truth.
My point is,
If you don't understand Arabic, why do you pray in Arabic? Is it?
no, listen to me again. If you don't understand Arabic, why do you want to recite in Arabic the Quran? Why?
Because Allah tell me to recite in Arabic.
What, Allah wants you to speak gibberish? Nonsense that you don't understand?
It's not gibberish, it's a language.
It's a language.
It's a language. One second. Oh, Alex, one second. Alex, 1 second, please. Excuse me, Alex, 1 second. No one is arguing that Arabic is not a language. What we are saying rather is it's not his language. What he can't speak, he can't understand. And that is the only point. So don't bring in random points.
No, but why does
And
it bother you? Because like I said,
Alex,
that's the point.
Alex, please. Alex, please. Unrelated
It's not unrelated.
excuses
It's not unrelated.
not going to help. This gentleman here does not understand Arabic, and therefore, whether it is a language for someone else or not, it is useless for him. So the question I'm asking is,
But I can
why does
understand.
the Islamic? You understand Arabic?
But I can relate it with the translation, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's exactly my point. Let me put it this way, okay? You can relate if something is translated into English, yeah. Yeah. So, there we are. Now you feel threatened.
No.
You are
want
feeling
to
threatened.
make a story on, but you are just saying that you are leading the topic. But I'm saying, if you have a Tamil song, right? If you understand it, you want to sing it, and then someone who is not understanding it, right? Tamil, someone doesn't understand, but he still want to listen that song because it makes meaningful in that language, right?
Someone who doesn't understand, it's not meaningful too. It's very simple. I don't understand why you are getting confused.
It is really
Someone may want to sing the song because the melody, the music is wonderful, but as long as he doesn't understand the language, the song is meaningless to him. That's all I am saying. Very simple. I don't know why Muslims are struggling to make a very. You explained earlier. You said you very much. Okay, now let's move on. So we have, if we stick to the bottom of our hearts, our conscience, we have come to a conclusion. Reciting the Quran in Arabic is meaningless. You don't understand. You need to fall back to English. I don't know about Alex because he's waffling on, trying to give lame excuses. Now let's focus on the recitation part. Why do you recite? Do you know why the Quran is recited? Do you know? You don't understand. You must be a Muslim. Do you know why the Quran is recited?
because this is how it is taught.
No, the Bible is not recited. We read the Bible, we try and understand.
I don't know about the Bible.
I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now.
Do you recite-
I'm telling you right now.
do you
The
recite in
Bible,
your
the
prayer?
Torah,
Do you recite in your
the Torah,
prayer?
the Torah is not
Do you
recited.
recite in your prayer?
Alex,
Do
one
you recite
second.
anything in your prayer?
Alex.
Do you recite anything in your
No,
prayer?
no, no,
Nothing. So
no.
you don't pray to God, so you're going to hell.
Well,
Pray to God.
it says a Muslim.
You pray to God.
We indoctrination. This is what we call
it.
it.
Yeah, you say, Our Father,
Alex,
who art in heaven.
simple
So you
question.
recite something. So
Simple
I ask you,
question.
Why do you recite?
Simple question.
Why do you recite?
Why
do
would
you recite?
why would
do you
anyone
recite?
recite
Why
the
do you-
Quran?
why do you recite?
We
Why
settle
would
the
you
idea.
recite? Why do you recite?
I'll give answer.
Why do you recite?
Why would we recite?
Please listen.
This is the way of praying
Why? Do you know why?
because it teaches by our prophet.
But why? Do you know why? The Quran gives you the answer, by the way.
Any religions pray in their own sign, right?
What's your name?
I didn't ask your name.
You know, that's fine. Okay, here is the problem. The Quran itself gives you the answer. You don't know the answer. Do you know why you don't know the answer? Because you've been busy reciting in a language which you never understood. So you've been reciting for many, many years, yet don't even know the answer from the Quran. Can I read from the Quran for you to understand the answer?
Why do you recite in your prayers?
I don't recite the Bible. It doesn't make sense.
What do you recite in your
Alex,
prayers? What do you recite
you
in
feel
your prayers?
threatened. You don't have to feel threatened. You just need to engage and you'll be
Why do you
happy.
recite in your prayers?
So now the question is.
I don't understand where you're going actually.
I'm not going
Why do you
anywhere.
recite in
I'm
your
staying
prayers?
here to try and make sure that
Why do you
you
recite
begin
in your
to.
prayers?
Do you know why the
Why do you
Quran is
recite in your
recited?
prayers?
I'll give you the answer.
Why do you recite in your prayers?
Why the Quran is
Why do
recited?
you
Because
recite in your
it's a way of prayer.
Ask him why he recites in your
It's a way
prayers.
of
Why do you
prayer.
recite
It's a
in
way
your
of
prayers?
prayer.
But do you know why?
What do you recite in your prayers?
Do you know why?
I'm asking you, why
I
do
don't
you
know.
recite in
Yeah,
your prayers?
this is why. Don't recite in a language that you don't understand. You never understand the religion at all. Let me give you the answer. The Quran gives you the answer. If only you had read it in English once, you might have understood. But you've been too busy reading in Arabic that you read for many, many decades. Is it there? Sorry, can I please wait 1 second? Will you quickly change the background? 1 second. But you are recording, brother.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's. That's fine. You know why it's recited in Arabic?
Tell me, maybe I missed it. Yeah.
Well, clearly you've missed it.
So you prepare a topic, right? Without any reason, right?
You can
I
ask
didn't
me any
memorize.
topic in Christianity.
Yeah, you
I'll
tell
try and
me
engage.
what.
But something basic, something you were asked to recite in a language that you don't understand, and you've been doing it blindly for many years, and you're now offended that I'm even going to answer the question for you.
Yeah, can you read it? You know?
Alex, thank you very much. I'll do it quickly.
Hurry up, please.
Hurry up. Yeah.
It's like 10 minutes and you haven't read this.
Okay. Surah 62, Ayah 2 gives you the answer. Surah 62, Ayah 2 gives you the answer. What is the answer? He it is who has sent among the unlettered ones a messenger of their own to recite to them his revelations. What is the reason why people have been asked to recite the Quran? Because people were illiterate. They could not read or write. They were illiterate, so they have to be told what is here. So, whoever came to these people, he came and said, hey, don't worry, you can't read and write, but no problem. I'll tell you what you should say, just repeat after me. You see, illiterate ones. 62, Ayah 2. He it is who has sent. Hey, Lamin, you can help him, by the way.
We don't know what are you.
I know you don't know what we're talking about because you never understand. Please listen now, carefully.
The only thing you do.
He it is who.
only thing you do.
Alex, please, very important for you, Alex.
Well, are you scared of...
Why is the Quran recited? For the simple reason, my friend.
You guys
The Quran was recited for the simple reason. For 1 second. The Quran. Lamin, one second. Please, stay. Why are you desperate right now? Stay here. The Quran is recited.
You read it, I'm listening.
The Quran is recited for a simple reason. That for the simple. This is exactly. He thinks you are illiterate. If you think you are illiterate, that's what he thinks.
Are you illiterate? Are you?
I am not. That's why I'm boldly standing here.